we made it to Maple Canyon Trail System. We're going to go check out the Maple Canyon Trail and Maple Canyon Arch. Looks like they used $5. I don't remember the mileage on the trail, but it seemed like it was easy and short. So we're going to go check it out. All right, short walk up through this little campground site here. Looks like we got the trail turnoff right here. We'll take it. But it is pretty up in here with all the maples and all the reds and greens and yellows. All the moss-covered trees. Awesome. Yeah, this is a pretty awesome little trail. Oh, look at those colors. Awesome. And then that pine tree up there. Pretty neat. Yeah, look, check it out. So this whole mountain is made out of this conglomerate. It's pretty neat. It's like gravel and dirt all solidified together. Turned into stone. It's awesome. And it's pretty moist in this canyon too with all the moss. Yeah, this colorful leaf-lined trail. It's pretty awesome. We missed our window with them being on the tree. But wow, it sure brightens up the trail good. That is so pretty, all those colors. Now there's more snow. Hey, we got some more flowers still hanging on. Those are for you, Steve. All right, looks like we made it to the junction of the arch and the loop trail. Not sure if we're going to do the loop trail or not. We'll check our time and look at the map, but we're for sure going to do the arch, which is up in that cliff line somewhere. Gotta go investigate. All right, looks like this trail is equipped with a viewing platform. Oh, there it is. Oh, sweet. viewed that arch. Pretty cool. The decision's been made. We are going to continue up the trail and do the full loop. There's another look at the arch. It's really cool. All right. Anybody ever seen a gravel arch before? Well, there's one right there. Gravel. Pretty neat. Well, all right, we did the full loop, we decided.
4 miles or so?
Yeah, about 4 miles and a steep booger. I mean,
steep up,
wow.
Steep down.
But it was awesome. We got some great drone footage. We saw the arch, flew the drone a couple different times, and it was amazing. I would recommend this hike for sure. The leaves were spot on. Too bad we didn't get it by a week earlier.
Yeah. It's pretty busy up here too.
Yeah. A lot of people up here rock climbing, so must be super popular.
And looking at the leaves, I think.
Oh yeah. Anyway,
yeah. Had
a great day. Viva Dr. Pepper, cream soda, 0 sugar. Viva, I need to get you a water out of the cooler. And some Viva mangoes.